Okay, the closest we're going to, please, and then please go super sneaky.
What are you doing?
And find Griff to have him come up here, please.
What are you doing, Peter? Hey, girl. Hi. I think she likes her toy.
Yeah, close it down. Your sandwich is on the table, don't let her eat.
Okay, thank you. You funny baby. Funny baby. You're so silly, baby girl. Hello. Hi. You like that ring, don't you? Are you stuck or are you being weird? You're just being silly, aren't you? Pretty bird. Oh, oh my goodness, no. Oh, okay, you were all right. I'm not gonna hurt you. I thought she was joking. She was fine. Maybe a bit goofy. What are you doing? Hi. My neck hurts. You're so silly. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are one cute bird. You need help here. She's gonna be getting a new friend soon. We're talking to someone on the KSL. And I might be able to get her friend by the end of the week. Oh, hi, cutie. Hi.
Did you see the cricket on the counter in the bathroom?
Oh my goodness. No. What cricket? You mean the thing?
Cricket that escaped. It was in the closet in the bathroom.
Well, I did not see that.
But it was dead, so...
Okay. You are a funny little bird. Yes, you are. I should probably get to eating my milk, drinking my milk and stuff, because I want you to go bad. Love you, Pearl. I could watch you for hours. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm gonna go and eat my food.